Charles Brown, the Apostolic Nuncio here in the Philippines, here in Radio Veritas 846. I just want to invite you to continue to listen and spread the word about this wonderful radio station, Radio Veritas 846, which is serving Catholics throughout the Philippines. It's a privilege for me to give this word of appreciation and encouragement to all of you listeners to continue to listen to Radio Veritas 846 and find more listeners to this wonderful station.
From Mega Manila, Philippines, to the World Wide Web, broadcast and social media, Veritas 846 Kapanay, 55 years of Catholic broadcasting. Media Network ay kapitanan ng mga broadcasters ng Pilipinas.
Kung pinagpalang sa panaligang oras, Philippine Standard Time, 7 o'clock in the morning. Ito po ay araw na ng Webes, ika-23 sa buwan ng Enero, taong 2020.